Hello and welcome to my very first pickup for the year, the Suicoke Pepper-Evab Loafers. I was first introduced to the Suicoke brand when I first saw Drew Joyner's Bower boot video in the past. I had also seen Suicoke in the feet of many through their motocab sandals, which is one of Suicoke's highly coveted footwear. But who is the Suicoke brand, or what does the Suicoke brand represent? Suicoke is a high-quality Japanese brand founded in 2006 in Tokyo, well known for its comfortable performance sandals and unique designs. Suicoke sandals are renowned for their use of high-quality materials including hiking-friendly, innovative Vibram footbeds. Suicoke has built its reputation as a go-to streetwear brand through numerous collaborations, at first at its home market, Japan, and later in North America and in Europe. Suicoke's most popular collab style is the Kissy V. With dozens of other luxury fashion houses following the luxe hiking sandal trend, Suicoke open-toe footwear has been at the forefront of the evolving fashionable yet functional strappy sandal movement, mixing streetwear with high-end sportswear. And known for its premium quality and highly fashionable yet functional footwear, Suicoke products come with a premium price tag. The shoes come in a white box with the Suicoke brand printed on each side of the box. The shoes also come with a regular shoebox paper as well as inserts as you would normally expect. The shoes also have a care and handling paper detailing how to care, clean, and store the shoes. The Pepper-Evab is made up of a quilted nylon ripstop upper. This material is the material that you would normally see on a puffer jacket such as the North Face Noops puffer. It also uses event fabrics, a technology that uses the most comprehensive assortment of air-permeable, waterproof, windproof, and all-weather material. The Pepper-Evab also uses 3M Thinsulate insulation that provides a great warmth yet lightweight and thin. It helps trap body heat while allowing moisture to escape. The Suicoke branding is printed on the medial side of the shoe along with the brand's tagline, inviting atmosphere wear comfortable products. Moving to the back of the shoe, it makes use of a bungee-style drawstring at the shoe's collar, making it easy to adjust for the perfect fit. The insoles of the shoes make use of an antibacterial EVA footbed, and I can tell you that it's one of the most comfortable footbeds I've ever tried. The cushion is just amazingly soft and responsive. The shoe's outsole is a threaded rubber outsole that is great for the road surface, most especially during the winter when the roads are icy and slippery. I have tried mine briefly outside and it definitely gets the job done both in terms of warmth and grip to the ground. I also have to mention that I grabbed another pair in gray within 2 days of receiving the beige pair. That's because I just love the look and feel of these shoes and I got the gray on final sale, hence the huge discounted price. In terms of fit and sizing, the Pepper-Evab only comes in full sizes and no half sizes. The recommendation from Suicoke's website is to go up a full size. I am normally a size 7.5 and I got a size 8. I have enough room for my socks and I use the bungee drawstring to tighten the shoes for a much snugger fit. The loafers are also unisex as well as other Suicoke products according to their website. Comfort-wise, the Pepper-Evab is one of the comfiest shoes I have ever worn. As I mentioned earlier, the rubber footbed provides amazing cushioning that is great for wearing the shoe for long periods of time. And despite the 3M Thinsulate material of the shoe, it provides just enough warmth that is not too warm, making it suitable for wearing for long periods without my feet sweating, even for those not so cold days. Price-wise, the loafer's retail price is pretty steep. The beige pair retails for 415 Canadian dollars, though I got mine on a discount for 195, and the gray pair retails for 315 Canadian dollars and only got it for 107. I got both of mine from Essence. Also, you can get on the Suicoke website, but I find that it is more expensive on the Suicoke's website simply because it is priced in US dollars and the shipping alone is a hefty $35, not even including import charges. So I recommend getting yours from Essence or other boutiques that are offering a much cheaper price tag compared to the Suicoke's website. I also noticed that the Pepper-Evab loafers seem to be retailed at different prices despite the only difference mainly being the colors, and I am not sure why that is. Maybe there's some other technology present in other loafers, hence the price difference. Also, since the shoes are unisex, I find that women's sizes are cheaper than the men's. I got the gray pair from the women's because it's a lot cheaper than that of the men's that is priced at 183 Canadian dollars, which is already discounted. discounted. So that's a little tip for you to save some cash if you're ever getting one. In terms of alternatives, I find that there are other shoes of the like that look and feel just as great as the Evab loafer. Some of my other recommendations are the North Face Thermoball Mules, UGG Tasman LTA, and the UGG Tasman Slipper. I only have the UGG Tasman LTA, and I can say that this is also a great mule for the winter. Also, the Pepper-Evab shares the same look as the Bower-Evab boot and the Low-Ab loafers. I really like the look of the Low-Ab loafers as well, and I am tempted to get it, but I really like the look of the Pepper-Evab with the heel coverage, and it's more functional as I can use it for the winter as opposed to the Pepper Low-Ab with the heel opening. But we shall see when the spring and summer comes. Here are a few outfit ideas that I put together with the Pepper-Evab loafer. And there you guys have it for my very first footwear pickup for the year. I really dig the look of the Pepper-Evab loafers, and I definitely recommend this shoe to anyone who is on the fence about buying one. My only tip when buying is wait it out to go on a discount, as the retail price is pretty pricey. And it appears to go on sale almost all the time anyway, at least based on what I saw on Essence where I got mine. All the Pepper-Evab colorways on Essence are currently on sale. So what do you guys think of the Pepper-Evab loafers? Do you see yourself rocking it, or are you gonna pass? Let me know in the comments below. Also let me know if you own a pair and how was your experience. And if you made it this far into the video, thanks for tuning in. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did, and until next time, stay safe, stay fitted, peace.